everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want this on InShot? Follow my steps. You can generate the pictures from any AI software. Let's make the intro now. Import a white pig in InShot.
Make sure that the size is 1:1.
Since there is no Emmaville song on InShot, you have to extract from a screen record. Now add beats with auto beat. Split at second beat. Follow my steps carefully. If it feels very fast, slow the video down. Click beep and import your pictures. Try to keep their size same. And yes, the ratio should be 1:1. Go to text and type in X. Use any font and color you want. Go to text again and type your character's name. Use any font and color you want, but this time try to keep their sizes same. Then in, then fade. Choose duration as you want. Do the same with your characters. Put fade out to your enemy character but not with Emma. Also put fade out to the background. Now follow my steps carefully. Now let's make the edit. Follow my steps carefully. Use the same EAs for every keyframe. Let's add more details, optional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.